Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how I made $1,000 a month with the Amazon Influencer Program. The first thing I would say is it's the Amazon Influencer Program, not to be confused with the Amazon Associates Program or the Amazon Affiliate Program. Okay, they go hand in hand, but they're totally different programs. And the Amazon Influencer Program, you have to get approved for. Being an influencer, you have to have a following on the social media, and it's not so hard to do. Now, once you're approved, you're going to get a storefront where you can upload videos and have a storefront, and you can drive traffic to Amazon to your storefront. Okay, but that's not where the real money is. The real money is what's called on-site placements. Now, you're going to upload 3 videos. Your first 3 videos, they're going to look at those 3 videos to see if your videos qualify for what's called on-site placements. If you qualify for on-site placements, now you get 3 chances, 3 strikes, and you're out with this. But if you get approved for on-site placements, your videos will be placed on the product pages of the products for the videos. And people can watch those videos when they're on the product page. Remember, now they're already on Amazon. So the traffic, you didn't drive the traffic. They're already on Amazon. They're going to Amazon to buy a product where they can watch your video. And if they add to cart and make a purchase, you're going to get a small commission. Now, you didn't have to drive the traffic. So how did I make $1,000 a month doing this? Anything and everything in my house that was sold on Amazon, whether I bought it on Amazon or not, most of the stuff I bought on Walmart or got as gifts. I did short review videos and placed them on the product pages on Amazon. People were watching those videos, and within 3 months, I was making $1,000 a month. When I was finished with all the products that I had around my house, I had about 500 videos up. Then it was time to start to go to my family's houses and then my friends' houses. Before you know it, brands started sending me free products to review. So I always had a bunch of stuff to review, make videos on. It got to the point where I was getting so much free stuff that I had to start charging to do these videos. Not only am I making money on Amazon from commissions, but not only am I getting free stuff, but I'm getting paid to make the videos for these sellers. And I have a secondary market where I sell these items on Facebook Marketplace and other places. So that's how I make $1,000 a month with the Amazon Influencer Program. And that was at the very beginning. I've been doing this for 2 years now. Okay, the program, it continues to grow. I host a weekly hangout where we talk about all things about content creation and different platforms that we use to make money online. There'll be a link in the description for the newsletter. Sign up for the newsletter so you'll know when we're going live and where.